Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we will do our chapter 16 of NCERT book, which is playing with numbers. Okay, as the name suggests, playing with numbers. In this chapter we have to play with the numbers only. Okay, there are no certain rules which you have to follow for this chapter. So here it is first question. In this A and B are given, it means whenever the alphabets are given to you in the question, you have to find their values. Okay, so here 3a plus 25 is b2. It means you have to find the value of a and you have to find the value of b here. Okay, 3a you have to add 25 to it so that you can get the value b, and unit place is 2 here. Okay, so first of all, if we have to find the value of a, can we get 2 by adding something in 5? We can't get 2 because 5 is the bigger number here than 2. So we can get 12. If we add a to 5, we can easily get 12, as here I have written a plus 5 is 12 here. Okay, so 2 is unit place digit here. Okay, and this one is carry here. Now what is the value of a here? If 5 is adding here, it will be subtracted, so value of a comes out to be 7. A is 7, so 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 is here and 1 is carry. Okay, this is simpler one. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6, so value of b is 6. b is equals to 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6, so we get the value of b to be 6. Okay, so you have to write like this: value of a is 7 and value of b is 6 here. Okay students, now moving to the next question. Second question, a b plus 37 is equals to ca, 6a, sorry. In this we have to find the value of a, b and a. Here students, you have to consider that here it is a and here it is a. Means whenever the alphabet is same, means their value will also be same. Okay, so you have to tell which will be the value for a on both these places, which should be the same, and here is b. Okay, so we will start solving here. Now b plus 7 will be a. It will be difficult because there are the two variables here, so we will move to the tens place digits. Here a plus 3 is 6. It means if we add 3 to 3, we can get 6. So here value of a we can write to be 3, because 3 plus 3 can be 6, so we can write value of a can be 3. Okay, and if we put the same value, as I told you earlier, here it is a and here it is a, means both the values should be same. Here it is 3, so here it should also be 3. Okay, so here if we put a to be 3, so can we get 7 plus something is 3? No, it means we considered the value of a to be wrong. Value of a can't be 3 here. Okay, so we will consider again. If the value of a is not 3, it means we are getting b plus 7 something to be 2-digit number. If we are adding b and 7, we are getting 2 place digits. Okay, so tens place digit can be 1, which we used as a carry, so here 1 will be the carry. Okay, so now we will start considering. A plus 3 plus 1 should be 6. 3 plus 1 is 4, so what should we add it to? 4, so that we can get 6. See here, a plus 3 plus 1, here a is this, 3 is this and 1 is the carry. What should we get as answer? 6. Okay, so here a plus 4 is 6, so value of a comes out to be 2 here. Okay, so value of a is 2. Now if we put here the value of 2, here it was the value for 2 like this, because b plus 7 should be equals to the 2 place digit where 1 is the carry and this is the a only, because the value of a we have to write here only. Okay, so here as we consider the value of a is 2, so here we will also put it 2. Okay, so in this manner what we get? We get that b plus 7 is 12. So what will be the value for b? Value for b will be 12 minus 7 and b comes out to be 5. Okay, so this is the correct answer for A and B. A is 2 and B is 5. We can check it out. If we are putting the value of B is 5 here. Now if we have to add 7, here we have taken the value of A to be 2, so 2, and we have to add 3 in this. What we are getting, value of A is 2, we will put it here, and we are getting 6 here. Okay, so if we check, 5 plus 7 is 12, 2 here, 1 carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. It means our values are correct here. Now next question is third. Here it is in multiplication. 1A into A is equals to 9A. We have to get the value of A here. So students, here also A is 3 times here, so the value for A will be the same. Okay, so we have to consider the value of A like there the value should be same here also and in the answer also. Okay, so if we are taking A to be 1, 1 into 1 will be 1. We are getting the same values for both the 3. So for all the 3 is A, 3A is 1, 1 and 1. But 1 into 1 will be 1. But here the answer should be 9. It means our value 1 is not for A here. Okay, now B. 2 2s are 4. Here 2, 2, but here it is 4. The values are different for A, so 2 is not the required answer. Then 3 into 3 will be 9. It is also not required. Now 4 into 4 is 16, 4, 4, here it will be 4, here it will be 4, and here it will be 6 for 16. So this is also not the correct one for the value of A. Now if we are taking 5 as the value of A, 5, 5, 5, means 5 5s are 25, 25 ka 5 idhar, then 2 will be the carry. 5 5s are 25 and 2 will be the carry. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. We are not getting 9 here, so it means 5 is also not the value for A here. Now we will let any other value. After 5 is 6, so we will take 6 as the value. 6 6 are 36. Okay, and we get 3 as the carry. 6 6 are 36, 3 is the carry here. Now 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So here what we get the value of A to be 6, because we are getting our answer 9 6 here. Okay, 16 into 6 is 96, so it is the correct answer. Now fourth one is A B into 3 should be equals to C A B. Okay, here A and A are same, B and B are same. Here the value of C can be different. Okay, and we have to multiply AB into 3 to get the value C, A and B here. Okay, now what should we multiply with B so that we get the same answer? So in this we can take the value of B to be 0, because if we take any other value we will get the carry here, and if we get the carry, so it will be not be possible to get A and A on both these places the same value. Okay, so we are taking B as a 0 here. As we put 0 here, now 3 into 0 will be 0. It means both the values of B comes out to be 0. Now we have to take 3 into A should comes out to be A, means 3 into A should be A here. Okay, here will be the tens place digit, but the unit place digit should be the same. Now 3 into 5 can be 15. Here we get 15 and here we get 5 and here we get 5. It means 3 into 5 is 15 here. So here value of A will comes out to be 5, and as here it is 15, so we will write 1 here. So value of C comes out to be 1, and earlier we get the value of B to be 0. So these are the values for C, A and B. Okay students, now fifth question is 1 2A plus 6AB. We should get the answer A09. Here it is addition. Okay, so we will start solving it from here. A plus B is 9 here. A plus B is 9. We will write like this, A plus B is 9. So students, here it will be difficult to get all both these variables, because there can be so many answers. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. Here are so many values for A and B. So we will we will check about the tens place digit. Here 2 plus a should be 0. Here 2 plus a should be 0. Can it is possible? Is it possible that if we add 2 to something we get 0? No, it is not possible. So here must be 10 here, right? So 2 plus 8 can be 10. So value of a is 8 here. Here it is 0, so 1 will be the carry here. Okay, as we are taking the value of a as 8 here. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 is here, 1 will be the carry part. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8, and value of a is 8 here also. It means our value of a is 8, because in both the cases we are getting the value of a to be 8. Now we will find out the value of a plus b is equals to 9 here, so we will get the value of b here. As value of a is 8, 8 plus b will be 9, so value of b will be 9 minus 8 equals to 1. So we get the value of b as 1 and value of a as 8 here. Okay, you can check it also. I am writing it here. 1, 2, value of a is 8, value of b is 1, then 8, then 6. We get a is 8, then 0, then 9. So start solving it. 8 plus 1 is 9, it means this is the correct one. Then 2 plus 8 is 10, this is 0, and we get 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and plus 1 8. So students, now these questions are given to us. We have to fill these values y, z, x and z. These variables we have to fill their values. Okay, so students, as you know the divisibility rule, the divisibility rule of 2, that if the number is even then it can be divisible by 2. Same in the case for 4, 8, like this. Now divisibility rule of 3 is, that if we add the digits of that number, then the sum should be the multiple of 3 only. In the same case it is for 9 also. Like if we add these 4 digits, their sum should be the multiple of 9. Now first question is 2, 1, y, 5 is a multiple of 3. Here we have to put the value of y like this. This number becomes the multiple of 3 here. Okay, so here we will add these 4 digits, 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. Okay, so here 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus, we get the answer of this as 8 plus y. So what should be the value of y here, so that we can get the multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 can be 3, 6, 9, like this. Here we can't get 3 as addition, we can't get 6, but we can get 9 as the addition. Okay, and what will be the value for y here? 8 plus 1 will be 9. It means value of y is 1 here, because 8 plus 1 is 9. So in our first question y should be 1, so that the number will become 2115, because value of y is 1, so 2115, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3. Okay students, so value of y will be 1 here. Now next question is 3, 1, z, 5 is a multiple of z. We have to find the value of z here. Now 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9 here. We need to find the value of 9 plus z here. In the case of 9, the sum of the digits should be the multiple of 9. Here 9 is already here. So what should be the value for z here? If we put the value of z as 0, so 9 plus 0 will be 9, and this will remain the multiple for 9 only. So 3, 1, 0, 5 will be the number. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. It means this number will be the multiple. So the value of z can be 0. In the same manner, we can put the value of z as 9, because here it is 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18, and we know that 18 is the multiple of 9 here. Okay, so the number will become 3195. Here if we add these 4 digits, we will get 18, and 18 is the multiple of 9. so the values of z for the second question can be 0 and 9 students. Okay, now third question is 24x is a multiple of 3. Here we need to find the value of x. Now 24x, 2 plus 4 plus x, 2 plus 4 is 6, we get 6 plus x. Now for the multiple of 3, the sum should be the multiple of 3. Here we are getting 6 already, as 6 is the multiple, so we will think of the value of x. So students, if we put the value of x as 0, what we will get? We will get 6 plus 0 to be 6. 6 will be the multiple of 3, so 240 will be the number, so the value of x can be 0. Similarly, value of x can be 3 because 6 plus 3 will be 9 and 9 is the multiple of 3, so value of x can be 3. In the same manner, value of x can be 6 and value of x can be 9. In all these cases, we get these numbers 240, 243, 246, 249, and these all are the multiples of 3 only. Okay, after 9 we can't take the value because it will become the 2-digit number, but x should be the 1-digit number only. Okay, so values can be 0, 3, 6 and 9 for our x. Now fourth question is 31z5 is a multiple of 3. First of all, we solve it for 9, now we will solve it for 3. So 31z5, 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus z. Here their sum is 9 plus z. So now we need to find the value of z so that we get the multiple. Here 9 is here and 9 is already the multiple of 3 here. So we can put the value of z to be 0. Now the number will be 3105. If you will check this, it will be the multiple of 3. So z can be 0. In the similar manner, z can be 3, z can be 6 and z can be 9. We will get the numbers and these numbers will be the multiple of 3. Okay students, this was the easiest chapter. This chapter is completed here. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.